Struggling with Steam game launches that suddenly close on Windows 10 or 11? Stick around as we dive into solutions in this concise guide. Right-click the Start icon, then select Device Manager. Expand the Display Adapters folder, right-click your graphics card, and select Update Driver. Select the Search Automatically for Drivers option, then reboot your PC once the process ends. If this fix doesn't do the trick, let's move on to the next solution. Open File Explorer by pressing Windows plus E, then go to the Steam folder. Next, find the ClientRegistery.blob file, right-click it, and select Delete or the bin icon. If this doesn't work for you, stay tuned for the next solution. Press Windows, type Steam, then select the Open File Location option under the result. Right-click Steam and select Properties. Here, navigate to the Compatibility tab and select Run this program in compatibility mode, followed by Windows 8 from the drop-down menu. Then click the Apply and OK buttons to save the new setting. Then open Steam to relaunch the game. Thanks for watching. Hope it worked. If so, hit like and subscribe.